Okay, so we're live. We're gonna play AI Somnium today, which is a graphic or visual graphic novel, whatever. Sorry guys, I'm on so late. Swirl literally kidnapped me and made me go touch grass. I didn't want to. She made me do it. Do I not have a thing for freaking... Apparently I don't have a thing for sound. So if it's super loud, sorry. Yes, start the game in English. I know it supports autosave. She told me if I didn't get in the vehicle, she's gonna throw grass on me. And I was like, not nature, you! She threatened me with a blade of grass. I was so scared for my allergies. Welcome into the weirdest haunted carnival ever. Also a dead person. That's usually how haunted carnivals start. Dead people. Yes. Yeah. They really know how to make a carnival haunted, that's for sure. I have nothing really good to say here, sorry. Other than dead people know how to haunt a carnival. Hi, Swirl. How are you? How was your day today? So I gotta figure out my, my crap here. It was different. Oh, well, you know, mine was too. Can I spend? I can, okay, I can do that. Can I do... Where's it at? I can do that too. Okay, sorry, I was looking at my things there, my point redemptions. I gotta figure out what's going on with some of them. Oh, the sound of the clouds being... Also, for anybody who has to use the bathroom really, really bad out there, don't listen to this. I know how to do this. Yes, I know what to do.
It's unusual for this time of year.
She's caught. Yes,
It'll be hard to find any usable prints.
Really? Really?
Are you serious? You're Special Agent Kaname Date. You're a member of Abyss, and that means you answer to me. I called you here to inspect the scene, Date.
Sure, boss. But inspecting dead bodies isn't usually part of the job.
Usually, no. But tonight it is. Because you know this woman, don't you, Date? I had to tell you. You deserve to know. Not yet. We just found the victim. Too early to say anything for sure. But this could be a copycat killer at work. From a case 6 years ago.
The case 6 years ago?
For whatever reason, she didn't elaborate. The case 6 years ago.
Metro got a call about 2 hours ago. Someone heard screaming coming from the park. Beat cop responded, checked out the scene.
And found the corpse.
Yeah. Thing is, the caller was
It's always good when you
anonymous.
find corpses.
I'll give you the details later.
Always a fun time had by all. Yeah, thank you.
Her name's Nadami Shoko. You knew her, right?
Did I?
What was the relationship
You did,
like?
Date?
I heard you two have been close for years.
I wouldn't say that. We were just acquaintances.
Well, in the hills with me. No, just fine.
Not yet, sir. Wow, I never thought a great detective like you would ask me my name. It's Kagami, sir. It's my duty, sir. Thank you. It's Kagami, sir.
Alright, I'm not gonna mess with him anymore.
Not too good, unfortunately. We're not finding much.
Are you not? Why not? There's a fence set around the merry-go-round, probably to prevent nosy kids from getting caught in the machinery. Is it though? Because my butt would be in there in between, because I'm not the smartest person. It's a bench. A panda. Panda ride looks lonely. It's also a bench.
A horse from the merry-go-round.
Keyword
It looks
horse.
like it's skewered.
This is not a message from the criminal.
Listen, alright, this is a message to all the other merry-go-round horses. If they should suddenly come alive, this is what will happen to them
The
if they
park
revolt.
was already in this state before the crime.
Listen, we can learn a lot from Vlad the Impaler. Mostly, if you want somebody to stay away, put their head on the pike. It really does send that message, you know?
My best hypothesis is that
A little
this is
hard
the
for
result
dating.
of a teenage
Why not?
prank.
It's like, I don't know, was that your dad's head? I'm sorry, but he had to go. Oh. This is the control room. A place where the operator sits to turn the ride on and off. I took a look inside, but I didn't see anything that might be a clue. I'm cluing so hard. Freaking South Park. There's a horse in the merry-go-round. Oh. There's a main column holding up the roof. Main column, okay. It's just a horse again. I need to get... I think I talked to her again, boss. She runs the best special branch of the Metropolitan Police Department. I report directly to her. Okay, local cop. I can just ask him his name. I hope he finds a lead. I know there's a lead. Not it everything. Rain is depressing. It's been like this all day. Barrier. Cops were on the scene. In the old days, they used to use yellow caution tape for this. We got cheap hologram technology that can do the job even better. Well, sometimes we use good old-fashioned yellow tape down here. Main column, holding up the roof. Been 8 years since Bloom Park closed. The weather's gotten to it pretty bad. Beans. Let me see here. Okay, cool, yeah. I don't upload What all did I not? Oh, did I not check out the parasol? Melted by the rain. Fence over here again. Still a fence. Do I need to talk to you? Gotta get this just right sometimes. Yeah, okay, weather's gotten to be pretty bad. I not investigate the corpse. There we go. Body is mounted on one of the horses. Should go get a better look. I took a step forward.
Sorry, sir. Could you please not get any closer? We haven't taken any footprints yet. I appreciate your understanding.
Allow me to assist you.
Also, I have been looking everywhere on Amazon for a plushie of Iba, and I cannot freaking find one. I think it is the most adorable thing in the bear form possible, and I would really love to get one. As soon as Amazon gets the ball on the roll here, roll on the ball, or however you say it. Her official designation is AI ball. She is an artificial intelligence built into my fake eye. All AI for an eye.
You want me to use the zoom, right?
Correct. That will allow you to investigate without physically disturbing the scene.
But I want to physically disturb the scene. Why you not allow me to physically disturb? Azumi. Check that out.
I am detecting signs of increased stress in your body. Cortisol and ACTH concentration is rising.
Don't bug me with jargon right now, alright? I'm just upset.
Come on, get up here.
The left eye socket is vacant. Victim has had her left eyeball removed.
Her left eye.
The most likely scenario is that the killer or killers removed it.
We don't know that for sure.
Maybe she did it
A
herself.
crow or some other animal could have pulled it off the corpse.
Impossible. The amount of blood indicates that the victim's eye was removed before her death.
They carved
sure,
it out
why not?
while she was still alive.
Correct.
Yeah, sure, why not?
Pupil dilation and corneal turbidity indicate the victim is dead.
Thanks. So does the amount of blood, but you know, it's
Multiple
fine.
puncture wounds to the front of the torso. Cause of death? Blood loss from these wounds. Body temperature and rigor mortis indicate the time of death was approximately 6 hours ago. That would place the crime occurring around 5 p.m.
Several puncture wounds, but no cuts or tears.
The victim was probably
means-
stabbed with something pointed and smooth, like an ice pick.
Sickle maybe?
What was that?
Analyzing the source of the sound. Sonic analysis indicates the sound originated from inside the merry-go-round's central column.
Inside the column?
No, not inside the column.
Date.
The noise came
Use
from
me
inside.
to see through the column. Utilize the X-ray mode.
Oh no.
It appears as though someone is inside.
You think? You got that from a body appearance, right? I threw down my umbrella and ran to the
Hey,
pillar.
wait!
Shut up!
Pushed him aside and ran up the
Hey, I know you're in there. If you can hear me, say something.
No. Looking closely, I found a small handle on the column. I grabbed it hard and tried to pull it open.
Won't budge.
It may be locked from the inside.
Damn it. Hey, whoever's in there, stay back.
It's a cool freaking weapon.
Izuki.
Oh no, did the teenage girl kill a adult? I don't think so. Actually, probably. In fact. Sorry, I don't mean to yawn.
What is this place?
This is your dream.
I'm... me.
Correct. You are Date.
And you are?
Ibo.
You're...
Dancing on the road for some reason.
Where do I even start with this?
I can answer all of your queries.
Alright then. Who are you?
I'm me, of course.
I know that voice. Iba?
Indeed.
Why do you look like a fluorescent shrimp?
What are you talking about? I must look so cute that you've lost your mind. Under normal circumstances, I would lecture you about your awful taste, but
What are you doing in my dream?
you
Excuse
called me. My consciousness and your own are linked. This is why I appear in your dreams. Consider me an alter ego, but I shouldn't waste time explaining further. You will have forgotten this by the time you wake up. I will discuss this with you soon, when you're awake.
Trying to sort out my situation, but my brain isn't cooperating. It must be because I'm sleeping right now. So things that I should know, I can't remember. My head is all fuzzy. Icy, why are you looking at me sideways? Like, I know my head is tilted, but why is yours tilted the same direction? I'm not my usual self. It's like I'm inside someone else's head. What a strange feeling.
Putting that aside, do you recognize this room?
No, not at all.
I suppose that's fine. Let us begin.
Begin what?
Somnium scan! Activate! Got it.
God what?
I have completed a scan of your somnium, your dream world. My simulations have encountered several mental locks.
Mental locks?
Have you already forgotten? Even your critical thinking abilities have dulled.
Huh?
Oh,
In short, somnium
Silver's
is a
trying to
world
help me
built
play the
from
game.
the deepest recesses of your consciousness. This world is divided into several layers. Each layer stands upon a foundation, a base component. Think of these foundations as mental blocks, or simply locks for convenience. Mental locks must be broken before we can proceed deeper into consciousness. The truth is always hidden within the deepest layers. Therefore, we must...
Remove the mental locks?
Correct.
So I just need to turn on all the lights and open the door? Shouldn't be too hard.
Don't be so
yeah,
sure.
that's exactly. Yeah.
Appearances in this world can be deceiving. Let's start with the door. Please direct me to the door and give me instructions.
I see. So I can do whatever I want with you in this world.
Well, I suppose that is true, but...
Alright, let's do this.
I would be afraid. Wake Date up. Date's dream world. In this strange and surreal dream, trust the light to wake up Date. No. Sorry, no.
A door locked with a padlock.
For now, have Iva investigate the door.
It appears all I have to do is open this door.
That's how you open doors, Iva?
can't
That's
touch
not
it.
a good... That's not how you...
That is to be expected. Dreams are not bound by logic. This is Date's Somnium, a reality built by dreams.
My somnium?
I see. Your mental faculties must be hazy because your body is currently sleeping. I suppose I will have to explain.
I'd rather you not disturb my precious sleep.
Shut up and listen! Date, look at that. The places where the light touches have become colored. Perhaps those parts are now tangible. Every human mind is unique. Every human dream has its own set of rules.
I see.
Yeah, I can't figure mine out. Which is probably a good thing.
If you understand these rules, the dream world itself becomes malleable. Who was that?
I don't know.
You must know. This is your dream. It is created from your memories.
I don't know what to tell you. I have no idea who that was.
You may remember upon reflection.
I need to give you commands that will unlock the mental locks, right?
Indeed. But it is difficult to predict exactly how an object will behave in Somnium. Think outside the box. Trying different actions will help solve the problem.
Now, what should I have you do?
Don't forget that I have a veto.
Good. Good. Okay, where's the... okay. Oh, I'm
A
hitting the
winter
wrong button.
iris.
What?
Do you not recognize it? This is an iris that blooms in winter.
A flower with a woman's name.
Smell it.
Hey, I didn't know you could smell.
I can't. I'm pantomiming. Isn't it easier to visualize this way?
Sure, whatever. Not enough.
Pardon?
Harder, you gotta smell it harder.
What? Okay.
Why do you have to smell it harder? Just gonna suck it in her nose. Oh. She literally
Amazing suction! Bravo! Marvelous!
What are you experiencing so regularly to cause this to happen in your dreams?
You were able to touch it,
Correct.
so I just need to keep this up?
Something like that.
Progress can be checked. Yeah, I know. Thank you.
A switch. The thorns are gone.
I sucked them in my nose. You know.
Now
why
I
not?
can activate the switch. Isn't this rewarding, Date? Another place you can touch.
I would rather be sleeping.
I don't understand that feeling. I think most of us do. Turned on the light. Yeah, I know. There's another mental. Thank you. Listen, tutorial. We're good. Thanks.
A glass of wine.
Let's have a sip.
Leave it to me.
Hey!
A sip out of the glass? Why are you drinking the whole bottle? What
I feel kind of good.
I got the AI.
Why isn't AI getting drunk?
Why do I have to listen to Date diss me all the time?
Hi, Zonnie. How are you doing? What if I like my seat pre-warmed, though? I mean, it can be pre-warmed. That's good. I'm glad you're doing okay. And again, sorry I haven't been in touch a whole lot. It's just been super busy at work and I haven't had time to really keep up with anything. I'm doing alright.
Oh, she's annoying when she's drunk. Someone else can come take her.
I mean, I didn't know I was gonna get the... That's life. I know. Life does definitely suck like that sometimes. Hi.
A skeleton.
The wrong dang
It
button.
appears to be bleeding from the left eye. To the skeleton?
You just want someone to talk to, huh?
True. Hello, my name is Iba. What is your name?
But I'm glad you've been doing okay. I'm glad you're here. Thank you for stopping in.
How are
Awesome.
you? I am currently 92% charged and feeling well.
Well, at least she's 92% charged.
Hey,
you know, plus 100.
don't ignore me. Stupid, bony man. Your mother is a stupid, bony girl. Bony, bony, bony.
Oh, thank you. Yes, thank you. I have to figure out what to do. I want to do a special stream, but I have no idea what to do. Yeah, I wouldn't be here without you guys, so thank you so much. You guys are the ones that are making this possible. Not me. I'm just
Are you
here.
finished?
You guys are really the MVPs, honestly. So I appreciate you all so much. I know I have 3 days off next week. I was thinking about doing a 101 Dalmatians themed onesie. I could do that. Gotta get on Amazon though. I could do that. That's my vote. Okay. I do have a 3-day weekend coming up, so I was gonna do a very long stream. So maybe I don't know if it's gonna get here before then. I'll do a 100 Dalmatian onesie. I could. I have a bunny and a lemur onesie right now.
My disappointment is immeasurable.
But yeah, I wasn't gonna do like there's no way I can do a 24-hour stream. I gotta kind of work myself up to that. Maybe for my birthday I'll do a 24-hour, but because I think my birthday falls on a Friday this year. I think. That's awesome. It'll give bouncy, yeah, right? Donations of ideas, yes. But yeah, I think on the 29th I want to try at least a 10-hour stream or a either a 10-hour stream or a 12-hour stream. I don't know if I can do the 12. I can do almost 5 right now, so hopefully I can do like a 12-hour stream. Hey Shipwreck, how you doing? No, donations of ideas is fine, because I have no ideas at this point what to do. Hello Shipwreck, and again, sorry guys I'm on so late. Mom forced me to go out. Those are cool. Oh, thank you. Thank you. See, I got the lucky fox in there. The card one didn't come out so well, but... No, not tonight. Not tonight. On the 29th. I think I'm going to try to do a 12-hour stream on the 29th, because I have a 3-day weekend coming up. So, I can start, like, earlier. Like, a lot earlier than normal. Because I'm off Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So I'll try to do a 12-hour stream that day, if not a little bit longer. Yeah, I know. You're pushing for tonight. I know. No, I was going to go till midnight, and it was supposed to be 7:30 till midnight. But since I started about 8:30, I'll go till 1:30 tonight, if you guys are up for it. That way I can make up your time. But yeah, Mom made me go touch grass. I was like, ew, nature, no. And she threatened me with a blade of grass. And I was like, my allergies, no. She can't force me to do anything, honestly. It's funny.
A skeleton.
Or at least I'm going to try to do
The
so one
skeleton?
anyway. If not, then I can definitely
You just
make
want
it
someone to
tomorrow.
talk.
True.
Oh, I just talked to him. I don't want to talk to him again.
Hello,
Well,
my name is
just gonna talk
Iba.
to him again.
What is your name? How are you? I am Hey, don't ignore me.
And also, I think everybody's on the
Your
same
mother
page
is a
for the
stupid
2nd
bony
of June,
girl.
But I'm not still 100% sure.
Are you
Kind of got
finished?
distracted talking about other
My
things.
disappointment is immeasurable.
And also, a lot of things have been going on as far as like different things in our situation, as far as like with me and Mom, and my anger and rage has been building, and that's kind of like why some of the streams this week were so short, because I'm trying to keep that all under control and keep pushing it down, letting it come out in surprising and fun ways. Sometimes I even poop it out. It's great. Oh, nice, sounds good, awesome. Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome.
A basket. I cannot see inside it.
Yeah, I
Leave
think
it to me.
everything's set. I'm not 100% sure for the fourth person in our crew though, but yeah. Nice
It is
lamp,
dark.
I know, right?
I cannot see anything.
I'll look on Amazon, Mom, see if we can get the lamp. No, you can't hit me. You're not allowed to hit your kid on stream. I might be old. I might be older than legal drinking age, but you're not allowed to hit me on
I see a dumb AI and a skeleton.
Oh, did I put the basket on his head? Search.
A model of a UFO. A stuffed chupacabra?
Now I want a stuffed chupacabra.
And a $1 bill.
Occult stuff, maybe?
Does the occult interest you, Date?
The $1 bill, the Illuminati.
The truth is out
great.
there.
It
Yes!
is a trending topic. Anyone could have encountered items such as these.
True. Somebody's into the occult.
I hope you guys had a wonderful day today. I hope everything's going okay with you guys. I really do.
This is somewhat different than a cult.
Just let me know if you need some backup though, because I got my Louisville Slugger right next to my couch, so okay, I got Mom's Louisville Slugger right next to my couch, so you know, I can come out and help you, give you backup anytime. Also, I know where the shovels are. And we have bleach, so you know. I think I'm in the wrong profession.
A floor
some
lamp
days, I
shaped
really
like a
do.
rose. It won't move.
It must mean I don't flinch. I hold my ground like a mountain.
I interpret it
doubt
more
that,
as your
Dante.
irritating personality spreading like pollen in the wind.
The tears
that's more
won't
like me.
stop. Must be allergies.
You're
Full of
just
my
sleepy. A lamp. It looks like a rose.
We know it looks like a rose. Kick it.
You don't have to kick it so hard.
Give it everything you've got. That's my motto.
It didn't even budge.
I saw the skeleton's skull move slightly. Hey, Date, are we gonna get him too? Huh?
What are you, a thug?
Yes. I keep
A
hitting the wrong
skeleton.
dang button.
There are traces of blood around the left eye socket.
Even though it's just bone?
This skeleton is clinging to some small bit of life.
I hope my bones die and stay dead, like they should.
A skeleton.
Alright, let's hit him. Yes.
Know this, skeleton. I harbor no grudges against you.
I might.
Hi! Yeah!
Literally knocked his head off.
What?
Oh, sorry too. By the way, this game is called AI Somnium. So it's a graphic visual novel, and as you can see, it moves a little quick pace here. But pretty much it's about a cop investigating a death of somebody he
But
knows.
look, the wall.